Welcome back, students. Let's discuss shortly about whatever we have studied in this entire chapter, light and formation of shadow. A substance that emits light is called as a source of light. The natural sources of light are the sun, the stars, fireflies, etc. The lantern, the flame of a candle, an electric bulb, etc. are artificial sources of light. Light is propagated in a straight line only. Light must be reflected from the surface of an object for the object to be seen. If an opaque object obstructs the path of the light, it casts a shadow. White sunlight contains 7 colors. Throughout this lesson, we have discussed first about luminous object and non-luminous objects. Luminous objects are the objects which emit light. For example, sun or a candle or a bulb, these are all luminous objects. And the table or a cup or a glass, these are not emitting light. So that is why they are called as non-luminous object. The artificial sources of light are the substances or the object which are made by man to emit light. For example, a torch. Torch is an artificial source of light. Then we came to know about light travels in a straight line. We have studied that in the propagation of light. Light always travels in a straight line. It does not travel in a crisscross path. In the point reflection of light, we have studied that when the light emitted from the source of light falls on any object, the same rays enter into our eyes. The rays get reflected from that object and get entered into our eyes. That is why we can see that object. Now we see objects during daytime only, since the rays get reflected only daytime. Why don't we see at night? Because at nights there is complete dark. In that darkness, light does not get reflected, so therefore we are unable to see that. Then we came to know about images in the plane mirror. The left and the right side of the original object appears to be exchanged in the mirror image. In a pinhole camera, we saw that the image is seen to be upside down, that too in a bigger size when seen onto the camera, pinhole camera. Then we came to know the 3 different types of objects: transparent, opaque and translucent. Transparent objects are which light passes through that, which we can see from one side to the other side. Opaque objects are, for example, a wall through which light does not pass, and translucent means partially light gets passed through it. In today's class, we started discussing the point formation of shadow. In the point formation of shadow, we saw that light when falls on an object, that object, since it is coming in between the path of the light, it forms a shadow. And our last point was the Newton's disk. Sir Isaac Newton discovered this disk, which showed that the 7 different colors, when mixed with each other, they form into a white color only. So that means white color has 7 different colors into it. You can also see that same 7 different colors into the CD disk. When CD disk you hold under a sunlight, you can observe 7 different colors. Same colors are obtained during rain when presence of sunlight. Yes, so you can see the rainbow. So these 7 colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. These are the 7 different colors which are formed, and that disk is called as the Newton disk. Thank you.